Picture this, 68% of New York City's residents are renters. That's a staggering number for a city with over 8 million people. Now imagine the hurdles both they and real estate agents face in this bustling rental market. Introducing Estate Empire, a game changer in the realm of NYC rentals. Estate Empire is more than just a rental platform. It's a revolution. For tenants, it's a ticket to bypass crowded open houses and the labyrinth of paperwork. Estate Empire's advanced algorithms match renters with their dream apartments, erasing the need for endless applications and the disappointment of repeated rejections. And what about the agents? Estate Empire has them covered too. The pre-screening app sifts through the sea of potential tenants, delivering only the qualified leads. It's the end of juggling hundreds of applications and the beginning of efficient, successful matches. It's not just about closing deals faster, it's about closing better deals. With Estate Empire, the renting experience is transformed. Picture renters independently touring apartments at their convenience, secure in the knowledge that they meet the landlord's criteria. Envision agents with more time to build relationships and less time buried in paperwork. That's the impact of Estate Empire. The real estate technology market in New York is worth a whopping $4.5 billion. Estate Empire is poised to make a significant dent in this market, simplifying the rental process for millions. The future of renting in New York City is here. It's time to step into that future with Estate Empire. Download the app today and step into your new home tomorrow. Seamless searches, swift closures. Let's streamline the process with Estate Empire.